Hey there, how are you today? I'm John from blogsaboutfitness.com. In today's video, I will be talking about men's fitness workouts at home. For men, the home is not just a place to rest after a long day at work. It is also a haven for keeping trim and fit. At home, they don't have to compete with others who are already way ahead in the game, judging from the look of their ripped abs. They can go at their own pace without feeling pressured to look as good as the next gym buddy that they meet during their sessions. More importantly, men who work out at home do so for the sake of staying fit and healthy and not for anything else. The best home workouts for men are those that involve cardio and strength training programs. While you can create your own home workouts, here is a sample regime that you newbies out there might want to follow to stay fit and lean. Take note that it is better to perform your cardio exercises after your strength training programs so that you can develop muscle mass and strength whilst getting rid of the fat. Before doing these exercises, be sure to warm up for a good 10 minutes first. This avoids strain and injury. Cool down with stretching exercises afterwards. Start your home workout with squats. Do about 20 to 25 of these to give your whole lower body and legs a great workout. Next, do push-ups for as many repetitions as you are comfortable. You can do a basic push-up or any of the variations like doing it on a chair or an exercise ball. This is a great upper body workout. That also develops your core muscles as well. Continue your exercises with lunges and dips for 20 repetitions each. If you have a sturdy bar in which to hang on, do as many pull-ups as you can. Then incorporate 30 crunches into your routine to give your abdominal muscles a good workout. Your cardio session could comprise of running up and down the stairs, sprints, box step-ups, jogging or aerobic routines. To achieve the full benefits of a cardiovascular workout, try performing these exercises for a full minute each, resting for about 30 seconds before proceeding on to the next one. As you gain more strength and stamina, build intensity into your routine. You can vary these exercises, add more routines, and even lengthen your workout time. You might start by only doing these for at least 15 minutes in a day. Gradually increase your time as your body starts to get used to it until you're doing these workouts for 40 minutes. You don't want to exercise for more than an hour per session since you're building muscle. Also, you have to give your body time to repair and heal itself. So exercising 3 to 5 times a week is ideal. Doing more than that does not achieve your purpose of muscle building and is potentially harmful. With the right attitude, lots of creativity and loads of determination, you can build a super fit and healthy body right in the comfort of your very own home. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want more tips about fitness, health or weight loss, please subscribe to this channel and check out blogsaboutfitness.com.